Our motivated vendor has decided to move on and requires this property sold. Makotuku Dairy impresses with scale and superior infrastructure. This outstanding 325-hectare dairy farm with a 260-hectare platform is located 21 kilometres northeast of Dannevirke township. It's highly regarded for its mostly flat to rolling contour, quality soils, excellent infrastructure and modern housing. Last year the property peak milked 650 cows, producing 240,000 kgs of milk solids, with the majority of cows wintered on the platform. The farm infrastructure includes a 2007 commissioned 50-bale rotary shed with milk monitoring and in-shed feed system, 200-tonne silo with crusher, 400-cow feed pad, 2 350-tonne feed bunkers and a centre pivot irrigation over a portion of the property. Makotuku Dairy offers an exceptional opportunity to secure a farm with scale, quality infrastructure and increasing productivity, with sale options provided to meet the market. There's also an option to purchase a further 88 hectares of adjoining support hill country as well. Contact Jim, Sam or Jared today for your opportunity to view.